Want to learn these dragon puppet hand movements? Follow these easy steps.
This first one is called the Royal Ice Curl. Curve fingers like this. Move hand forward and puppet backward. Turn puppet upside down, then back again while moving hand up and down slowly.
This next one is called Frozen Heart. Curve your fingers, then quickly change it to a half heart. Move the puppet back when the heart is forward, vice versa.
I hope this helped my beautiful ice dragons. Make sure to polish your horns and keep them ice clean. Love you.